Hello, my wonderful friends from around the globe. This is Phoenix Funnels from the Tester site. I hope you are doing great today. And the topic for today is
the affiliate marketing business growth, the most paid systems, 3+1 programs, so you can start today your business from home, choosing from the best platforms to promote your links using real traffic, with a free lifetime membership or premium. You can get free traffic every day to your sites by viewing and clicking on someone else's ads for a few minutes to get the daily bonus. So from setting up your domain to create websites or capture and landing pages. That's why my last name is Funnels. This info is from Google. On average, an affiliate marketer makes around $51,700 a year. Low-level marketers make about $38K on average, but the top earners make around $71K. The affiliate marketing average income can be even higher, depending on your skills and experience. There's lots of companies and a ton of competition for online passive income generated through affiliate marketing. Some people is taking advantage of affiliate programs around the globe to succeed online. Programs for personal development affiliates, self-help, motivation and inspiration are all included in the popular niche of personal development. Tony Robbins, Coach Training Alliance and Mindvalley are the top affiliate programs in this market. These programs include a wide variety of items and courses that can benefit your audience's quality of life. You may make up to 20% of each sale by recommending these programs. Wellness and health affiliate programs, fitness, nutrition, and medical testing are all part of the expanding field of health and wellness. The top affiliate networks in this market are Do Fasting One, Blink Fitness, and WellX. These programs provide goods and services that can aid in the improvement of the health of your audience. You may make up to 50% of each sale by marketing these programs. High-paying affiliate programs. Beginners who wish to make more money should join high-paying affiliate programs. The top affiliate programs in this area are Thinkific, BigCommerce, and Canva. These programs provide a wide range of goods and services that can aid in the expansion of your audience's company. You may make up to 50% of each sale by marketing these programs. You must select the appropriate affiliate program that is compatible with your topic and target market in order to take action for online success. Additionally, you must provide top-notch content.
the affiliate program's goods and services. You may boost the number of visitors to your website and your likelihood of receiving a commission by doing this. Here are the commission rates for the top affiliate programs. Personal development affiliate programs. Mindvalley, 20% commission per sale. Tony Robbins, 15% commission per sale. Coach Training Alliance, 15% commission per sale. Health and wellness affiliate programs. WellX, up to 50% commission per sale. Blink Fitness, up to $30 commission per sale. Do Fasting, up to 50% commission per sale. High-paying affiliate programs. BigCommerce, up to $1,500 per sale. Canva, up to 30% commission per sale. Thinkific, up to 30% commission per sale. JVZoo, help you earn 50% commissions from every single sale. According to WA, or wealthy affiliates are paid between 22 and 45% of every sale. SFI is the exclusive marketing arm for eCommerce, Eager, Zebra, Rewardical, Triple Clicks. For those that like to play games and earn rewards, and if I can keep going on and on, there's a lots of companies, so this is the last one I will mention. Impact Radius, this is the top of the line one, the cream of the cream. Affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry asterisk globally, with $6.8 billion of that figure coming from the United States alone. Even during uncertain times, affiliate marketing remains a top performance channel. This is the first and foremost a platform where influencers, publishers, and bloggers can easily partner with brands. It's mainly an affiliate network where you can partner with brands through their affiliate program, but you can also work with brands via sponsorships or campaigns. Well, that's what my best friend Google says, so I'm learning too, okay? And for marketers, affiliates also recently ranked as a top in-demand skill. That's because of its high earnings potential for advertisers and affiliates alike. This platform is the best full-funnel performance platform for brands and creators. It's important to note that commission rates can vary depending on the product or service being promoted and the affiliate program's terms and conditions. It's also important to choose an affiliate program that aligns with your niche and audience to increase the chances of success. So, to start a business from anywhere in the world, the first platform I recommend is Web.com is a leading web technology company. And if you're looking to build your own website but you don't have coding experience, I have for you the ultimate guide to making and designing your own website. This is an award-winning service and one-stop shop for all your website needs. Helps you get your business off the ground and grow in no time. Directly from the Tester site offers, with the platforms and systems that will show you a website tailored to your unique goals with our expertise and your drive combined. Our drag and drop website builder creates websites in minutes, so you can grow your brand with a variety marketing solutions designed to help you reach your goals. And one of the nation's largest providers of website builder and online marketing services. Since 1999, we've served more than 3 million customers around the world, and we manage over 9 million domain names. So we give you all the support you need to be successful online. Includes 1 hour of support from our experts to help wherever you may be. Plus, your domain name is included. One of their latest innovations is the AI Writer, an AI-powered content generator that can generate copy for websites, blogs, pay-per-click ad copies, and more. Web.com is a leading web technology company and one of the nation's largest providers of website builder and online marketing services. Get in contact with us with the link below. The second platform is Email Validation Service for 250K plus clients. Used to validate and clean your email lists in 3 simple steps. Zero Bounce, a bulk email verifier to remove low-quality contacts from your list, including invalid, spammy, and abuse email addresses. This can help reduce your bounce rate, increase your open rate, and prevent you from landing in spam. Your open and click rates will automatically go up, right? So this means more clients, more leads, more sales, more of the Live Good life. After you've cleaned your list, keep it that way. Connect Zero Bounce's email validation API to your sign-up and registration forms. That way, each time someone enters a new email, it gets checked in real time. Only real, valid contacts will end up on your list. We have options for pay and free plans. Get 100 free monthly email verifications. After a few minutes inside our platform, you'll be able to send emails with newfound confidence. You invest time, energy, and money into your email campaigns. We help you find valid emails in real time, reach the inbox reliably, and connect with your customers. Drive your open rates and ROI with 99% accurate email validation, AI-driven scoring, email finder, and email deliverability tools. This one of the easiest ways to verify and validate a single email address? Yes, because you'll get result in seconds. You may ask yourself before,
why do I need to verify my emails? Well, that's a great question, and I want to answer that one for the team. Hey people, a nice day today for us. This is Yaxiel from the tester site. I hope you are doing great too at the moment. The reason is not about you, but your sender's reputation is on the line. When you email incorrect, fake, or spammy email addresses, it drives up your marketing costs and drives down your ROI. So, definitely over time, it can also impact your sender reputation, which is like a credit score for your email address. The more bad addresses you email, the worse your emails perform and the lower your score is. So, definitely over time, it can also impact your sender reputation. The third platform is Network Solutions Affiliate Program, Make Money, promoting network solutions. Services provides our affiliates with trusted tracking, 24/7 real-time reporting, and regular monthly commission payments. All you need to do is place our logo, banner ads, or text links that we provide on your website, your blog, or in your email newsletter. Exclusive deals, marketing advice, and 5-star service are just a call away. Get the business results you need at a fraction of the price. Build your website. Enhance security boost site traffic. Save on domain names DIY website builder. Create your website and receive 1 hour free design support. Get noticed online with our tailored solutions. Our experts use optimization strategies to increase your search engine rankings, which increases your online visibility. Refresh your website. From a few sentences to a full upgrade, we review your site and infuse it with relevant content and updated web pages. Increase your authority. You'll be set up in top business directories and build authority with reputable citations and referral links. And the bonus is, Leads Leap is without a doubt one of the best online advertising and marketing tool providers. It offers a variety of features and services that can boost your campaigns and help you achieve outstanding results.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Mrs. Phoenix and Mr. Jassier. I love that explanation and cooperation. You can see the difference from the time I started this team, the tester side. Today I'm feeling great, thanks God. I want to bless everyone that came to the last part of this video today. This is one of the longest videos I ever did because it has a lot of value information, and if you think about that, please give us a like if you like it, share it, and this is to support the tester site, okay? Your site, and infuse it with relevant content and updated web pages. So you can increase your authority on social media. You'll be set up in the top business directories and build authority with reputable citations and referral links. Okay, so the bonus for today is the platform that has significantly improved my advertising and marketing, okay? is called Let's Leap. First and most, okay? The traffic exchange system is impressive. LeadSlip is without a doubt best online advertising and marketing tools providers. That's why I'm introducing this platform to you. It's been a lot of years that they online services, and it offers a variety of features and services that can boost your campaigns and help you achieve outstanding results. Okay, then by viewing or watching the advertising of other users, you may earn credits that you can then use to display your own ads. So it is a win-win situation. Additionally, the traffic is quality and superb and guarantee that your ads are seen by a specific demographic. Okay? However, the benefits don't end there. LeadSlip also offers a robust and ad monitoring system that makes it simple to monitor and the effectiveness of your advertisements. Okay? And track click-to-click conversion radius and make data-driven choices to improve your marketing. This degree of knowledge is crucial for enhancing your advertising efforts. So let's move on to the leads generation, my people. You know, if you use my link below, you will get a great ebook for free, because LeadSlip offers a special feature called the Real Tracker that enables you to design lead capture pages and provide free tools or resources in exchange for website visitors and contact information. This makes it simple to create an email list and convert leads into paying customers. Now, for the cherry on top, this is the cream of the cream one, okay? The referral program for LeadSlip, you make money by introducing people to the platform, and then you can earn commissions on their activities. Okay, so this is a great way to monetize your work and establish a passive income stream from whatever you add in the planning. Okay, not so great commissions that you will get rich in a day or two, but this is a great way to monetize your work and establish a passive income stream while you utilize the platform. A few minutes you can get daily bonus, but what really distinguishes LeadSlip from its competition is the dedication to offer a secure and encouraging community for marketeers. And the platform is regularly watched to ensure the quality of the advertising and satisfying user experience. So to make sure that it's real people clicking in your ads. Okay, so the members are engaged and active, and you may even connect and network with other professionals who share your interests. Okay, one of the most significant and effective platforms is this one, LeadSlip. Like I say, if you use my link below, you will get free access to different pages that you can just with the code just start promoting it. Just put your name. It will teach you everything step by step how to create your own using your own links with simple click. You just follow the steps. And with its cutting edge and ad widget and effective monitoring system, Exchange provides a variety of tools to help you produce leads and expand your business online. This will help you draw in targeted traffic and turn them into clients. So you may join our team, and well, I wish you the best. You just go to the leadslip.com. Okay, doesn't matter, it's your choice. So if you like the video, please share it, like, comment, and say whatever you want about any topic that you want to hear from us. Have my team with me, and we will do it for you. Okay, keep in mind though, all these platforms can help you into your website, but LeadSlip, it will detect if it's a bot, if it's not real people for real. So if you're looking for the best advertising and marketing tools provider, I highly recommend LeadSlip, and the reviews and testimonials are using the link below for Trustpilot. Okay, so sign up for a free membership for life. If you don't want to pay the premium, that is one of the best, because that way you don't even have to watch any ads, and you will have the credits for 10 different pages to promote it for free. So you'll get a free ebook with the instructions to brand yourself and start making that passive income from home wherever you are in the world. It was a pleasure talking to you about all these magnificent companies and programs. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you wherever you are in the world. So if you like the video, please go ahead and do what you have to do. Thank you so much for your precious time, and have a great rest of your day.